Step 1. Take out your mobile phone or your computer. Step 2. Hit the site exactly like this. Step 3. You will earn money to start your day today. It's as simple as that. I would like you to look at this actual evidence right here. People from all across the globe are earning money. Now, take a look at this individual who has made money, and the other people who have cashed out their money on the new website. We'll look further down. You will see hundreds of users who cash out their money each day via this website. So here's the amount you can earn on this site. If you click on the timer, you'll earn 87 cents. Take a look at this. You'll earn about 8 cents and $7 if you perform 10 clicks. When you make 50 clicks, you'll earn around 43 cents and $50. If you make 100 clicks, you could easily reach 87, and that's the best part, you can repeat this process over and over. This technique is currently absolutely free and is offered in all countries around the globe. This short video will demonstrate how to sign for a free account. I'll give you a real-life scenario so you can follow me walk through precisely how to complete this, and then I'll give you numerous bonuses that will aid you in earning more cash online. We can begin. The first thing to do is visit this site that can be referred to as LikeGPT. You can visit liked.com. This website basically, there are many methods to make money online. The best method to earn money on this site is through PTC and video advertisements. At present, PTC refers to paid to click, which means that you are paid for each time you click on a web page and click an advert. We'll give you an actual example of how you can click on websites that look similar or view video advertisements similar to those and earn an enormous amount of money on the internet. Keep watching until the end, and then again, as you will see, these are genuine payment proofs that you can find available on this site and are completely transparent to let you know how you can see the advertisements and the numerous websites you've clicked on and how much cash you've already made in your account. I like this site because they allow you to make an immediate withdrawal. Within 24 hours, you can cash out your profits. There is a minimum payout of just 50 cents, and then you can start cashing out your funds. There are so many choices available right here on the website. I'd like you to leave a comment and tell me which is your preferred method for paying for your particular country. So today, if you'd like to register for a no-cost account, all you have to do is click the green button below to sign up now, which will bring you to this page where you can sign up to get a no-cost account. The best part is that it's available across the world. Please leave a comment below and tell me the country of origin to make more videos for your area in future videos. It's essential to choose a username. Type in whatever username you'd like to use and enter your email address as well as your password. Confirm your password, then to get the referral code, you can leave it as is. I'm not going to give you any referral code in this video, as I'm not earning any profits by sharing this opportunity with you, as I'm only trying to assist you. Then, you'll need to go through the final stage of verification. They're asking you to click this type of icon in this instance. So you need to click right here to select the one displayed in the image. It will instantly recognize your country, and you'll have to click the time below to accept and read the privacy and terms of service, which is why we're going to click this blue registration button to sign up to register. Before I give you the actual instance of how to go to the website to watch videos or earn money, I'd like to present to you another website that is bucksinside.com. The reason you should sign up for both sites, bucksinside.com and GPT, is because the more sites you sign up for, the more advertisements you will see on the site, which means the higher amount you'll be able to earn. You can now see on the other website, bucksinside.com, you'll get paid every 10 seconds, so take a look. These are additional proof of payments that users cashing in their earnings every day on the website, and they're from all over the globe. As you can see, various countries worldwide can earn money and then cash out their profits. I love this because there are numerous websites you could click on and earn 50 cents, up to $2 or $1 on bucksinside.com. Payouts are earned by browsing their advertising website. Visit their site and you'll earn money. Be sure to keep following because I'll give you real-world examples to illustrate this is a great opportunity to withdraw your earnings using many different ways. Examples include Payza, Pal Money, Perfect Money, PayGear, Skrill, bank transfer, and several ways that you can use to cash out your earnings. If you are here at bucksinside.com, you can cash your cash out immediately within 24 hours And again, you can cash out your earnings after you've reached $2. This is extremely simple, and I'm excited to demonstrate it right now. Click on this link right here, click register, and you'll be taken to this page. Once here, there's a place to type in your username. Then in this column, you'll have to put on your email address. Confirm your email. Thank you for the referral. I'm not going to include any referral codes in my video. Lastly, you can select the currency you would like to receive your money in for the currency. In my situation, I'll choose to pay in dollars. After that, put in the appropriate payment method. You can choose any payment method you like. And in this column, you can select the year of your birth just like that. And in the last section in this section, they ask us to click on a few icons to show that we're not robot, we are human beings. In this instance, this is the icon that appears in this particular image, and I click it, and then accept the terms and conditions of service. After that, proceed to hit the register. It's that easy, and I will provide a real-life example. Once you've logged into your account, you will see a variety of advertisements you can click on to earn money, like you see in this illustrates a banner advertisement. You need to click on it. For example, I'll click this one right here, and it's going to bring me to this site, and right now, it's essential to ensure that you are paying attention. I'd like you to stay on the site during these 30 seconds you're able to transfer the funds to your account. So what I would suggest is to look at the second banner, which is right here, like this one. It is the one I click on, and it'll lead me to the next site, which you can view here. Don't be concerned, you do not have to sign up for an account. You do not need to do anything but remain on the website for at least 30 seconds to ensure that you get the money, so be sure you don't squander your time. I would like you to click every banner ad you can. I would suggest that you click on 5 or 10 ads simultaneously to allow for 30 seconds to reduce your time and earn more money than other users. One way is to earn money by simply clicking on banner ads. You are on the right track to earning money, which is to make money by clicking on advertisements. Another method is by clicking on a video and then watching the video for 30 seconds. So after you have successfully logged into your account, you'll be capable of going to the hidden TV and searching for different videos and videos to view. Click it for 30 seconds, and you can earn money online, as you'll see that there are hundreds of videos and advertisements which you can view to earn money online, to ensure that you're paid. I'll assist you in registering for the free account, and I'd like you to hit this sign up link above. And you're coming to this page, look below, and select a username, your email address, and your password. Just click here, following which you click. We're not robots, and you can sign up for free accounts. So you want to go to this video. Right here, I'll click on the video. It's going to bring me to this page, where they'll begin loading advertisements directly onto the video. Sometimes, there are 1, 3, or 2 ads on the screen. Video. With each advert, you see you'll make money online. The more advertisements you view, the more money you'll be able to earn. Depending on the videos you view, you may see 3 or more ads, and some videos won't have ads. However, don't fret. You are able to go to other videos and make sure you see an advertisement on the front of the video. Remain for 30 seconds to look at the ads. That's the way to earn an enormous amount of money online. Don't be concerned. You can perform this using your smartphone or your computer. What I'd like users to remember is to make sure they click on several videos. Let's say you go to this particular video as well, as this one is right here. You can open several tabs as you see in this case. For instance, that's the first movie I'm viewing, and this is the second one, and the more videos I watch, the more ads I'm able to click and earn money online. The second aspect I love about this site is that on the right side, you can find Sponsored OK Sponsor, which is a meaning of advertisements. Now every sponsored ad is at your fingertips, and when you click on them, you earn money online, so you can say that if you click on these ads here, then it's going to bring me to the website. So that's it now. You need to stay for 30 seconds before you'll get your money. Again, it's an amazing opportunity to earn 2 streams of revenue through viewing videos on YouTube for 30 seconds. As well, by clicking on banner ads similar to this one and remaining on the site for 30 seconds before receiving your cash, you'll have endless possibilities right here on these sites. There is a myriad of videos with a variety of video advertisements that you can view and a myriad of banner ads on websites that you can click to be money. And that's precisely what these guys earn lots of money each day just by clicking on websites and watching video ads, and that's all there is to it. This is a finance expert. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and then hit the notification bell to click the like button. I'll see you in my next video.